Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to Life on the Ranch. Well, here they are, the meat birds. Hope you in the eat birds. They got their melons and berries. Let's see if they know what to do with them, the young breeds. Some just kind of ran off to go do by ourselves things. Most of them are still out here enjoying it. I see Cletus, our rooster, is nowhere to be found. Disappointed in that boy. It's a tame rooster. He's just not out here doing rooster things. He should be out watching his flock. What the cluck? Well, the meat birds certainly know how to eat birds, don't they? They do love their melons and berries. Want to see the birds doing bird things? Hit the thumbs up, sub for more. Remember, legends, you are legendary. We love to see you watching our videos, leaving comments, hitting the thumbs up really helps. Share the good word of Arkvoodle. And go ahead and drop some names in the comments for who you think these birds should be. Anyway, legends, this is the Shieldborn signing off, saying stay legendary, legends. And we'll see you in the next clucking video.